Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to change the default browser in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. This is even more important because Microsoft has made it difficult to change the default browser, which is Microsoft Edge. However, to do this, right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to Apps on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Default Apps. Here, scroll down to let's say Firefox or Chrome, whichever you want to. Find any file type which is associated with Microsoft Edge. Click on it, select Firefox and click on OK. You would have to change individually for all of them. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.